back.
You gross.
Is he drooling?
Spit.
He's a drooler.
Watch out, Mom.
Watch out, he's drooling.
He's gonna spit on me. Okay.
He just drools. Oh, go tickle him. Oh, that was a big jump.
Hey, Mom, watch this.
Yeah.
It would be funny.
He'll pinch your bumbo. He's gonna pinch your bumbo. He's gonna pinch your bumbo. Ah! Did he get you? Go tickle him. Don't do that. Go tickle him. Go tickle him. Go tickle his tummy. Careful. Careful, you're banging my arm. Okay, we're coming. Tickle, tickle. Whee! Careful, no, careful. Bump his head.
No, wait.